These are the steam layer cake roll with purple yam. Look very pretty, isn't it? This cake can be prepared way ahead, like 2 days. You can leave it at room temperatures. So that's why you can prepare ahead if you have any party to host. So it's very convenient. Steam layer cake roll can be made with food color, so it's make look more purple, or just plain. It's still very pretty. Look at this. This is 2 different colors, with or without the food coloring. It looks very beautiful on the eye and tastes so yummy in the mouth. So please join me today with Lee Dynasty Kitchen how to make the steamer layer cake roll with purple yam. And these are all the ingredients. Please follow. And for the purple yam, we're going to use 400 grams after peel off, because we're going to choose the best one after you peel. You can see it. Then put the purple yam to a steamer and steam it up. Okay. 200 grams of mung bean. We're going to wash it and bring it to boil. Remove all the foam on the top. Then cover the lid and then cook for 10 to 15 minutes. It's just a little bit watery more than normal rice. And this is the procedure how to make the mix. So after mix well, we're gonna put through the strainer to get the best smooth out of it. Okay, make sure all nicely and smooth. Okay, then you're gonna divide 2 bowls. One is a little bit more than the other. Add the cooked mung bean to the less amount of the mix, and purple yam to the other. Okay, add a little bit of the mix to purple yam and grind it just like that, and continue. Finish the rest. Add the finish to the bowl, and we'll do the same thing to finish the whole bowl of the purple yam. Very fast and easy. And then finally put back the remaining mix to the bowl and mix it well. Next step, you're gonna put everything to the strainer. Use the spoon to press it down and to get the best smooth at the end. Yeah, just like that. It's very watery, so it's fast to do it. Okay, so complete the procedure and you will get the very nice and smooth purple yam liquid in the bottom. And we're gonna do the same thing with the cooked mung bean. You know, add some mix to the mung bean, grind it up. There we go. Add everything back to the bowl. Put the remaining one to the bowl. And that's it. We have another mix. Last, to the strainer and press it down to get the final of the mix with all nice and smooth. Now we have ready 2 bowls of the mix. One is with bubble yam and one just plain. We're gonna add a little bit of sesame oil to the tray. Okay, make sure you spread it all over the tray. Use 1.5 cup of bubble yam first. Put to the tray and roll around to make sure it's all nice and even for the whole tray. That's it, and then put it to the steamer. Just like that, insert to the steamer. Cook very fast. Just only, few minutes. You can check it. See how nice and purple. Bring the tray out, and you can see it's very fast to cook. You're not gonna believe it. Okay, now we're gonna add the mung bean. Add 2 cups of the mung bean mix to the tray on top of the purple yam, of course, and then just roll around, to make sure it's all running even with the surface, and then put back to the steamer. Another 5-10 minutes, and that's it, we're done. There we go. Now it's time to cut. You divide half of the tray. You turn the sideways to the tray and then cut 4 sides of the tray. Okay, use the plastic knife. And then you can just lift it up. Use the knife, lift it up. Just like that. As you pay attention, you can see that I lift it up the cakes very easy because I leave it overnight because I don't have time to roll the cake right away. So leave it overnight and the next day I do it. See, when you take it out and you put on the silicone sheet like this, and then you just roll it up. Very nice. Look at that. Very nice and purple. Beautiful. Okay, so the cake can be, leave it to the next day before you can, take it out. So now you cut up the 2 end piece to make sure it's nice and straight before you cut out to the individual one. Look at that. Very, very nice and very soft, chewy, but very soft. That is the beauty of this cake. Look at this. Very yummy, very beautiful, soft, crunchy, but it's very soft, not hard. After it's done, this cake can be put in the room temperatures for 2 days. So you can prepare ahead when you have a party. So now I'm going to share with you how to wrap roll the cake without the silicone sheet. You can use just a normal plastic wrap like that. Bring it out and dip on top. Use the chopstick wrap with saran wrap so you can roll tight as you can to get the nice and close, the roll at first start. Then just use the plastic wrap and roll it back and forth. It's a little bit harder than the silicone, but it still do the job. So no worry if you don't have the silicone sheet. Look at that. Nice, smooth, very soft, beautiful color. Same thing, we're gonna cut out two pieces at the end to make it nice and straight, and just cut it out to individual one. Very nice. Yummy, very yummy. Let's try the one with the food coloring, so we're gonna have a little bit more purple. If you wish, it's just the option. Okay, try to mix a little bit first, and then you can mix it up until you see the color a little bit more purplish. Okay, don't make it too dark because it's gonna be very dark, and it won't look nice. Okay, I think we got the color. There we go, just a little bit more purple. Okay, so we're gonna do the same thing with this tray with the food coloring. Same thing with the mung bean. Add a little bit of the yellow color. Okay, so we're gonna steam up at the same thing like that, and we roll it up as the other one. look at this. These are the beautiful, yummy steamed layer cake roll with purple yam we just made. It's very delicious and look very beautiful. This cake you can prepare ahead because it's going to leave it outside at room temperature for 2 days. So you can prepare before. Thank you very much for watching my video. I hope you like my share. And if you like, please give my video the thumbs up. And don't forget to subscribe to support Lee Dynasty Kitchen. And I will continue to share a lot more yummy Vietnamese food to share with you. Okay? Thank you very much. And I will see you next time.